my channel. So today I thought to do something very glam yet beginner friendly. So I just came up with this look and I'm absolutely loving it. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Starting off with already moisturized skin. And for primer, I'm taking this Nivea balm and applying it off camera. On to foundation, I'm using this Nykaa SkinGenius and Skinshield foundation and taking it back onto my hands and just applying it all over my face with the help of a brush. And further, with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm just blending it away, making sure there's no harsh line left onto my face. Now I would be concealing and highlighting at the same time using these products. First, using this elegant concealer and concealing onto my usual areas and quickly blending away the product. Now for highlight, using this Age Rewind concealer and applying it under my eyes, forehead, on my cupid's bow and slightly on my chin and just blending. So here's the key, the more you blend, the better and airbrushed your makeup will look. On to powder, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this powder, seriously. So taking this on a small brush and patting it on and further taking this big fluffy brush and just dusting my face to give it airbrushed look. On to bronzing my face using this Sugar Cosmetics bronzer, and if you're looking for some good drugstore bronzer, then you should go for this. So now applying or chiseling my face, just taking decent amount of the product and applying in very smooth circular motion and just dusting it upwards on my face. Now taking this small flat brush and going for the quickest nose contour. So for blush, taking this beautiful Nykaa blush in shade Malibu Barbie and just slightly applying it onto apples of my cheek. So for highlight, I'm taking this beautiful golden highlighter from Maybelline and applying it onto high points of my face, on my cheekbone and on my cupid's bow, and hopefully not forgetting my nose this time. And whatever is left on my brush, I'm slightly taking it over my eyebrows just to give a nice dimension to my face. Now after base is all done, jumping on to my brows using these products. So first I'm gonna use this brow pencil from Miss Claire in shade black and just filling up my brows. And then to set my brows using a clear two-way mascara from Wet n Wild to just lock everything in place. Straight onto lids using this Nykaa Glamorous Eye in shade Violet Wizard and applying it onto my lids. And don't worry, it won't crease, and plus it contains beautiful glisten of glitter and it dries down completely matte and it also doesn't crease. So further, I'm using my finger and blending or diffusing the edges. For transition, taking this big blending brush and taking the same bronzer and building up the transition shade. So going in first with circular motion and then with windshield wiper motion. Repeating the steps until I'm happy with the way it's looking. Taking these colossal mascara and kajal from Maybelline, first I'm just taglining my upper and lower waterline. After taglining with help of a small flat tip brush, diffusing the kajal on my lower waterline. Then on to my favorite part, which is to apply mascara. So I'm going on with a decent amount or decent coat of mascara. For my falsies, taking this beautiful wispies from Kingdom of Lashes, and I believe it's in the type Natural. So here I am just pinching and making sure the lashes and falsies are stuck together nicely. I totally forgot to highlight my brow bone, so quickly dipping a pencil brush in the pan and highlighting my brow bone and inner corner just ever so slightly. So for my lips, I'm using this Nykaa Mini in shade Top Thrill and just applying on my lips until I'm happy with the color payoff. So after my makeup, no Indian look is complete without chunky earrings and a bindi. So just doing so until I'm finally happy with the look and the makeup.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. So this is my look complete. I really hope you liked this video. Now you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.